Loosen the bolts of the middle connecting piece and adjust the installation hole of the middle connecting piece to be parallel to the ground. Check and tighten screws. Press the release switch of the middle connecting rod and install the middle connecting rod to the middle connecting piece. Attach the upper hook first. Push the handlebar forward and upwards. When you hear a click, lift up the safety handle. Press the safety handle to keep the body standing steadily. Press the connector switch. At the same time, push the handlebar forward and upwards.